Hello guys, my name is Emmanuel from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you something really exciting. Now I'm going to be showing you how to customize your mouse pointers. Now if you see mine and you like it, well, I'm going to show you how I did this. So first of all, on your browser I want you to head over to DeviantArt. Don't worry, I will leave the link to this in the description below. And so yeah, when you head over to DeviantArt, you see a lot of amazing stuff. Literally, you can download wallpapers to literally anything really nice that you want to download. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be downloading mouse cursors now. And the search bar, I want you to search cursors. Awesome. So now you see a bunch of different cursors. Now to see more of this, come here, view all. Now we have a whole lot of um, pointers, yeah, that you could download from. So all I have to do is scroll down and find the one that I like. Okay, yes, I found the perfect one. I really like this. It's really nice. I like it. So now what you're going to do is head over here and download. It's free to download, so all you have to do is just download this. Okay, now that that is done, go to your browser or your file rather to your downloads, and you can see it over here. I like to keep mine in my my documents here. Awesome. So now I have the seeds here, the Oreo cursors by this guy. Now export this file, export all of them, and we have the Oreos here. Now the best why I really like this is you can get a preview of what mouse cursor you'd like from a range of all of this. Really interesting. I like this. I like this. So here, Windows, you have all the colors that we're seeing or that you saw in that picture. Yeah. So I want to go with let's go with orange. Orange. I know a lot of people want to go with dark one. Nah, let's go with orange. Yes. So follow these steps carefully. Right click on the install and install this. Good. Now that that has been installed, I want you to go to your settings, and on your search bar type mouse. Click on mouse settings, head over to additional mouse option, and there we have pointers. And here, once you click on this, and you have a drop down of mouse icons already pre-installed on your PC. Now we install the Oreo orange. Sorry, we apply. Yes, and click on yes. Now my mouse is beautiful, changed, and I'm pretty sure you like this. Well, if this was really interesting, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.